trying to check out. See what's that. So now we are going to the airport from Boracay. We have to take a speedboat. You can see here even on the boat white sand all over. Thank God this country really helped us with the big luggages. I can help you, bro? Sure. I can sit here? You can sit here, B?
Yeah.
Parang basa. Pwede ba nakatayo?
Bawal po po.
Ay, bawal?
Teka ma'am, panatan na po.
Salamat. Sit kami. Hindi masyadong maalim yun.
Hindi naman po.
Pumunta kami maalim.
Oh, it's a speedboat, right?
Pwede? Hindi tubig ka na? Ah, hindi? Hindi, okay lang.
It was fun. Speedboat. Now we have to take another bus to go to the airport. Thank God NAIA Hotel really helped us for this transportation. It's really hassle free. Oh my god, see this fan, it's so huge. I don't know how it works. This Boracay airport is so unorganized. We have a gate 5 and there's a gate 3 and there is gate 4 and there's no clue of gate 5. And just now, after a couple of question answers with the assistants, they told us gate 5 is outside of gate 3 and it's nowhere mentioned. It's crazy. I don't know how it works. There's no signage, no information, even on the check-in, even we drop the luggage, no one informed anything. It's crazy. Yeah, and yes, you are unorganized. Even they let you in. They let you in for the gate 5. First of all, we couldn't find. Then we find it. They
should
let
ask
half,
us.
half of the family, they let them go. You know, they said the gate 5, there's the 2 flights are boarding. And our flight is second one. They let half of the family member and they don't let me. When I confront them, they told me. Like, I don't know half of my family. He said, oh, how come? I don't know. You are the one who booked, you let them. And after that, he let me. He said, make sure you don't board Cebu's flight. I don't know, for sure. We don't have any intention to go to Cebu.